Doug Wilson. I am the Director of Remarketing at Ascendum Machinery here on the stateside business based down in Concord, North Carolina. Ascendum is the largest Volvo dealer in the world. We have U.S. operations, Mexico. We are mainly a Volvo dealer, but also Leeboy Paving. We handle Cinnabogan material and rehandling machines, and a few other small allied products as well. I used to travel to auctions as an auctioneer, and I was always traveling with the Sandhills people. They used to come to the auctions and record the pricing and stuff. So it's kind of like I evolved through this industry with them, and just watching that, and then watching some of their competition. What Sandhills and machinery traders had to offer of us is just above and beyond what everybody else has. There's not a product that's not offered. It's just something that I probably haven't found yet. So the diversification is pretty amazing when you get to look at the whole scope of the picture. Very user friendly, and our customers all seem to be very in tune with Sandhills and machinery trader as well. So just good uniformity throughout, and they like the consistency. It's huge. Probably maybe one of the main benefits. We ran into something a couple months ago looking at a machine one of our customers was wanting to trade in, and all the other data we were looking at, we just couldn't make things add up. Something wasn't right, and we started digging a little bit deeper into the historical services, probably not on purpose to find what we did, but we found the history on a machine that hours had been changed, possibly a serial number change. It had come from Europe, and we had to question all of the EPA standings on it. So it just in that one instance there, it kept us above board, and we were able to provide our customer with some information he did not even know about a machine that he bought. So to have historical data like that at your fingertips is it's very nice. Something we don't have to keep in-house, but it's just a click away. When I'm looking for valuations as we're trading equipment or looking to sell some or take some back off lease, just going in and seeing pricing that's available, or jumping in to see how many other people are trying to sell the same item. You know, you can jump into the Sandhills Machinery Trader, and if you're going to list a bunch of 845s, you're going to get 90% of what's available in the world market just by looking there, because this is obviously, you know, the biggest, best site. Most people use it, so you get a true global sense of what's available for sale, and if you want to jump into that market line or not, or you know, maybe it's too heavy, maybe there's too many of them out there, you're priced wrong. It just gives you a good view of what is out there to look at. I've used some of the auction services, Auction Time some. Find it very, very good for some of our smaller remote pieces that transportation could be an issue on. And then starting to look into the fast track, some of the trade-in sides of that, and the serial number information. That's as that evolves, I think that's going to be key. We get so many from overseas each week, and even if you get 100 inquiries and you only sell 3 machines, it's well worth it. And you know, they come from everywhere. I mean, there's no place in the world that I don't feel that Sandhills touches. With the footprint that we have, I think that we offer a true global experience. Just like Sandhills does, we can reach out through our network to touch people about anywhere we need to. If it's not a typical machine that fits into our general area here in the U.S., you know, we have opportunities all over the world within our own group to send it to. So I feel like Ascendum is by far the number one leader in the Volvo equipment world, and we have that ability to reach out to new customers all over the world every day. anyone's looking for good used, late model used Volvo equipment, please reach out to us. There's myself, Marcella Newman, Billy Bryce. We have a great remarketing team. Our website is ascendummachineryused.com, or direct line to me, 704-562-2032.